Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Apache Cassandra is a highly scalable distributed NoSQL database designed to handle large amounts of structured data across many commodity servers. However, as with any technology, there are certain anti-patterns that can lead to inefficient usage and scalability issues. In this tutorial, we will discuss some common anti-patterns in Cassandra and how to avoid them, ensuring that you can effectively use Cassandra in your applications. Common anti-patterns in Cassandra. 1. Ignoring data modeling principles. Anti-pattern: designing a data model without understanding how queries will be executed. Solution: always model your data based on your query patterns. In Cassandra, you need to denormalize your data to optimize reads since it's designed for fast writes and reads by partitioning data. Example: if you only model the user profile and later need to query by email, you could end up needing another table or an inefficient query. Better approach. 2. Not using proper partition keys. Anti-pattern: using a single partition key for all data, leading to hotspots. Solution: choose partition keys that distribute data evenly across the cluster. A good partition key should ensure that no single node becomes a bottleneck. Example: here, user_ID is a good partition key if the number of orders per user is balanced. 3. Overusing secondary indexes. Anti-pattern: relying heavily on secondary indexes for querying non-primary key columns. Solution: instead of using secondary indexes, create additional tables designed specifically for your query patterns. Example: using secondary index. Better approach. 4. Underestimating data volume. Anti-pattern: not considering the size of the data being stored can lead to performance issues. Solution: monitor and plan for data growth. Use TTL, time to live, for data that is not needed indefinitely. Example: 5. Ignoring write and read patterns. Anti-pattern: not considering consistency levels and how they affect performance. Solution: choose appropriate consistency levels based on the requirements of your application. For example, use 1 for lower latency and all for stronger consistency. Example: 6. Failing to monitor and tune performance. Anti-pattern: not monitoring the database can lead to undetected performance issues. Solution: use monitoring tools, like DataStax Ops Center or Prometheus, to track performance metrics and tune your database. Conclusion: by avoiding these common anti-patterns, you can ensure that your experience with Cassandra remains positive and that your application can effectively scale. Always focus on understanding your data access patterns, creating efficient data models, and monitoring performance. Further reading. Cassandra documentation. Official documentation provides comprehensive details on data modeling and best practices. Cassandra Data Modeling, books and resources specifically dedicated to data modeling in Cassandra can deepen your understanding. Community forums, engaging in community discussions may provide insights into real-world use cases and solutions. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you'll be on your way to effectively using Cassandra and avoiding common pitfalls.